Okay, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe down below and to be a part of our family. For my returning subscribers, hey beautiful people, hope you guys are doing well. I'm actually really excited about this video because, sorry, my bra keeps doing, you know, that bra thing. I'm very excited about this video because it's my birthday. Which is actually crazy. I'm just sipping while I'm doing my makeup. Okay. Okay, well, it's not that crazy because it happens once a year. Oh gosh, that's funny, Nathanie. You are funny, you know that? Okay. So I actually just wanted to do a get ready with me because I'm actually like really excited just for life. But yeah, I'm really excited and I think I'm gonna chat with you guys and do makeup as well. I'm actually really excited because it's so cold today. My mom is making like butter chicken and she's doing and my aunt is making some curry, some biryani, so it's lit right now. It's lit, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, so let me get into doing my makeup. My skin is looking very oily and moisturized. The reason why it is looking so beautiful is because I literally just did my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, and these lashes, they are so cute. I was helping my friend Sophia with her sister. Sophia owns a lash studio slash beauty, I think it's a beauty bar. I'll definitely put her Instagram here or down below, wherever. And her sister was trying out lashes on me. Listen, in the beginning I was like, what is this? But now I love it. Which is very weird because I don't really like doing like small anything. But anyways, I know I moisturize my face, so I'm just gonna put powder on it just to take away the shine. And yeah, so she did my lashes and I was like, you know what, I actually don't care. So yeah, so she did my lashes and so I did that like last week sometime, and I just really didn't know that this was such a vibe. Like seriously, no one told me. Swiitchbeauty Primer Putty. And also let me know what you guys think about this setup. I actually kind of like made it up yesterday for my Instagram post because I wanted to do that vibe. So I'm going to be using this palette. I'm just going to be like, even though my birthday is gonna be, I feel like most people's birthdays have already passed. A lot of people's birthdays are going to be at home. I actually don't mind it, truth be told. I seriously do not mind it because I actually do enjoy being at home. I can get drunk and just enjoy the company of my family, and we are so much fun. It's actually crazy. So I'm really excited for that. I'm so excited for food. Whew. And also I'm vlogging some of it as well. Well, most of it I'm actually vlogging. I started vlogging from was it Sunday? I think it was Sunday that I started vlogging. and I'm actually having so much fun, even though I'm just at home. It's just like a vibe. Listen, have you guys listened to Given's album? Oh, such fire. I am so excited. Not his album, sorry, his EP. I'm just going to be concealing using my LA Girl concealer. It's been like the longest time since I've had what is it called? Since I've had like false eyelashes, like lash extensions, sorry, not false eyelashes. It's just so weird for me. Like, I'm so used to it, especially because I gave it such a big break. I don't know. I let's say, I don't know if I could do lashes like all the time, unless I was like a soccer mom or something. Wow, these brows are looking crazy on camera. We are going to try something new today. I was actually scrolling on Instagram and I was like, I think her name is Jade. What's her name? Jade something. I can't remember her name. I'm so sorry. But she... I'm going to use... she was talking about how to make your eyeshadow pop. So I'm going to try something. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Iconic Fever palette. And I'm gonna go in with this shade first. She said to pack it on, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Now kicking it up a notch, I'm going to be going in with the shade right here. And I'm basically just stamping it on. I'm just gonna spray it. Nathanie, you smart. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. Ooh, it's a vibe. Brow and Lash Clear Mascara by Essence. So now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. I want to try this new vibe of concealing like this. You know what? I actually don't. I don't have time for that. I am literally just... While this is doing its thing, I actually want to talk to you guys. I've gone through, I know people usually like, I've gone through so much, but I truly have. And I feel like, I know people also say this as well, why am I becoming such a cliche? I really am just happy where I am right now. I accept any progress or anything like that. I'm just ecstatic, but right now I love the way I am, and there's always space to grow, and I just love where I am right now. Just like emotionally, spiritually, I'm on another tip, and I'm actually so happy that I'm there. And I'm just happy. And truly, when every year I just want to be happy, and that is so important. A lot of people put things on like, I will be happy when I get a car, when I get a new job, I'm just going to be happy throughout. It's sometimes, yes, it is hard. Sometimes it is hard to be happy when you're going through the worst times, but I definitely know from now, like from what I've been through, that I can definitely rise above any situation. And that is the most important thing that anyone, if that's the one thing that you learn about, learn from this video, I'll take that. I just want everyone, just find yourself. Like, I know many people say that, oh, I'm being such a cliche, but like genuinely, I am just happy where I am, and I'm not trying to be something that I'm not. And I feel like that comes with age, that whole you don't need someone else to fill you. Like, really, I know on this channel everybody knows that I'm single AF, but I think it was for a reason that I am, and whatever the Lord has for me, I accept whenever, because the Lord's timing is the best timing. So yeah, did this thing just give me like a fuller lip? Anyways, I'm actually, this is my first time trying to blend it out with a brush. It just doesn't feel right, but let's try it for once. We are a bit older, so maybe we should try new things. Also, I like a few days before my birthday, I decided of what, like the list of things that I want to achieve, or like what I would like from the next year, from today. And I'm not the type of person that will share that, because I believe that it will happen when it happens, and sometimes there aren't good energies, that there are energies that are trying to break you down and not build you up. So I definitely do not want to put that in someone's lap so that they can spew bad energy towards me, and like, your girl don't need that. So yeah, so yeah, I'm really excited. Genuinely, I am so excited for this year, and for whatever it has in store for me. Just gonna go in with my beauty sponge just to make sure everything is seamless, which it is. Wow, okay. I think I'm just gonna do it with a sponge for once. It's been a while since I've done it like this. So I'm going to be going in with my Colourpop bronzer in Rodeo Drive. My triple baked highlighter. So I'm going to be using the LA Girl Precision Liner in chocolate. And then I'm going to be using my MAC Twig. I can't find my other one. I don't know where it is, but I'm going to be using this little nubby. This is the finished look. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the setup. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.